In 2015, I took a leap of faith. With $5,000 in savings, I entered the world of Forex trading. I was drawn to the potential for significant returns. The Forex market, open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, offered endless opportunities. I was excited, yet terrified, of the unknown. This was the start of my incredible journey to $1.5 million. My initial trades were cautious. I focused on major currency pairs like EUR-USD and USD-JPY. I learned technical analysis, studying chart patterns and indicators. Risk management was paramount. I never risked more than 1% of my capital on any single trade. I adopted a swing trading approach, aiming to profit from short to medium-term price swings. This strategy, combined with careful risk management, proved to be a winning formula. The journey was far from smooth. I experienced exhilarating highs and crushing lows. There were days when my trades went flawlessly and my account balance surged. There were also periods of drawdown. Losses would trigger self-doubt. It was during those tough times that I had to remind myself of my trading plan. I had to stay disciplined and not let emotions cloud my judgment. Section 4. Lessons Learned, a Trader's Toolkit for Success. This journey has been an invaluable learning experience. Every trade, whether a win or a loss, has taught me something new. I quickly realized that success in Forex requires more than just luck. It's about understanding the market, recognizing patterns, and making informed decisions. It demands dedication, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. The market is ever evolving, and so must be our strategies. I learned to embrace risk management as my safety net. Setting stop-loss orders and understanding risk-reward ratios became second nature. I discovered the importance of staying informed about global events impacting currency movements. News can shift market sentiment in an instant, and I developed a deep understanding of market psychology. Knowing how traders think and react helps in predicting market movements. Engaging with the trading community, attending webinars, and continuous education have been crucial in refining my skills. Reflecting on past trades, both successful and unsuccessful, has provided insights that are invaluable for future strategies. Finally, maintaining a balanced mindset and managing stress are essential for long-term success in trading. Section 5. The Power of Persistence. Never giving up on your dreams. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but the key is to keep moving forward, no matter what. The most crucial factor in my success has been persistence. It's not just about working hard, but about staying committed even when things get tough. There were times when I doubted myself, moments when the challenges seemed insurmountable. When giving up seemed easier, I chose to push through. I persevered because I knew that every setback was a setup for a comeback. I reminded myself why I started this journey. The vision of achieving my goals kept me going. I was driven by the desire for financial freedom. The thought of creating a better future for myself and my loved ones was my motivation. I was determined to prove to myself that I could succeed. Each day, I set small, achievable goals and celebrated every little victory. And that unwavering belief in myself fueled my determination to overcome every obstacle. No matter how many times I fell, I got back up, stronger and more resilient. Section 6. You can achieve it too. Forex success is within reach. The world of Forex trading can seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and mindset, it is entirely possible to achieve success. My journey from $5,000 to $1.5 million is a testament to the power of persistence, strategic planning, and unwavering self-belief. It wasn't an overnight success. It took years of learning, adapting, and refining my strategies. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a deep understanding of market trends, economic indicators, and the ability to make informed decisions under pressure. It requires dedication and effort. Long hours of studying charts, analyzing data, and staying updated with global financial news are part of the journey. But with the right mindset, education, and a sound trading strategy, you too can achieve incredible results. Continuous learning and adapting to new market conditions are key to staying ahead. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Start by educating yourself, setting realistic goals, and developing a solid trading plan. Your success in Forex trading is within reach, and it all starts with that first step. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on Forex trading. Your journey to success starts here.